Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now in this video, we're going to see a guy come up on us on a dirt bike, wheeling the whole way up and passing us while doing a wheelie. I don't think this guy could let the front wheel touch the ground. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. They never talk about that.
There are plenty of avenues they could go.
But you know why they don't want to go down them? Because they've already been written about in books. And if they use the book as a movie, they have to pay the author.
Hey, Super Chief, will you lean forward so I can get the front wheel on the ground? Stop kidding, I am.
The book is a movie, they have to pay the author.
Yeah. What an idiot.
$1,000 miles on one wheel? We're trying to win a race, not set a record.
At least I kept it clean that time.
Now look at this one about to hit that damn van. Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.